Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty Dressing with Respect Funeral Outfits. Hello everyone, welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are touching on the topic that while somber is an important aspect of fashion, what to wear to a funeral. Choosing the right outfit for a funeral can be a delicate task as it involves balancing respect and priority with personal style. Our guide today will help you navigate this sensitive situation with grace and elegance. We will cover a range of options that are suitable for different types of funerals and cultural contexts. Let's get started. Traditional funeral attire is generally conservative, respectful, and often black. Here are some classic choices. A black dress is a timeless option for a funeral. Choose a dress that is knee length or long with a modest neckline and sleeve. A simple black sheath dress or a fit and flare style can be appropriate. Pair it with black or neutral pumps and minimal jewelry. Add a black handbag and, if desired, a small black hat or veil. For a more formal look, consider a black suit paired with a modest blouse. A tailored black blazer with matching trousers or a skirt can create a polished and respectful outfit. Choose a blouse in a soft fabric like silk or chiffon in a neutral color. Finish the look with black pumps and a structured handbag and simple pearl earrings. In some modern funerals, the dress code may be slightly more relaxed, allowing for a bit more personal style while still maintaining respect. If black is not required, a dress in a dark color such as navy, charcoal, or deep burgundy can be appropriate. Opt for a modest cut similar to the traditional black dress. Pair it with dark shoes and accessories. Keep jewelry minimal and elegant. A dark colored midi skirt paired with a simple sweater can create a respectful yet contemporary look. Choose a skirt in a solid color or subtle print and pair it with black or neutral sweater. Add black tights and ankle boots. A small crossbody bag and understated jewelry will complete the outfit. Different cultures have varying traditions and expectations for funeral attire. It's important to be aware of and respect these customs. In some Eastern cultures, white is the traditional color of mourning. A white dress or a white blouse with a long skirt can be suitable. Two simple modest skirts and avoid bright accessories. Pair the outfit with neutral shoes and minimal jewelry. For funerals where cultural or religious attire is expected, wear traditional garments is a sign of respect. This might include saris, kimonos, or other culturally significant clothing. Ensure the garments are in appropriate colors and styles for mourning. Pair with traditional accessories as needed. Funeral attire can also be depending on the season. Wide considerations for both warmth and comfort. For a winter funeral, layering is key. Choose a black or dark colored wool coat to wear over your dress or suit. Pair it with black tights and heel boots. A black scarf, gloves, and a hat can add both warmth and style. Ensure that your outfit underneath is still respectful in case you need to remove the coat indoors. For a summer funeral, lightweight fabrics are essential. A black or dark colored dress in cotton or linen can be both respectful and comfortable. Choose short sleeves or sleeveless with a modest neckline. Pair with black or neutral flats or low heels. A small simple handbag and minimal jewelry will complete the look. Some funerals may have specific religious requirements or guidelines for attire. It's important to adhere to these respectfully. For religious funerals, modesty is often key. Choose outfits that cover a shoulder and knees, such as long sleeve dress or blouse with a long skirt. Ensure the neckline is not too low or pair with the closed toe shoes and minimal accessories. Headscarf may be required in some traditions, so be prepared with simple neutral colored scarf if needed. A conservative suit can be appropriate for many religious funerals. Choose a suit in black or dark color with a modest blouse. Ensure the skirt is knee length or longer. If wearing a skirt suit, pair with the black pumps and structured handbag. Keep jewelry simple and elegant. The right accessories can enhance your funeral attire, adding a touch of elegance while maintaining respect. Opt for minimal jewelry such as pearl earrings, a delicate necklace, or a simple bracelet. A classic structured handbag in dark black color is ideal. Choose a small to medium sized black bag that can hold your essentials without being too bulky. Here are some practical tips to keep in mind when choosing your funeral outfit. Comfort is the key. Checking the dress code. Choosing the right outfit for funeral is about showing respect and honoring the memory of the deceased. By selecting appropriate modest attire, you can demonstrate your empathy and support for the grieving family. Choose Funerals can be long, emotional events. Choose an outfit that you feel comfortable in for extended periods. Avoid anything too tight or restrictive. Comfortable shoes are also important, especially if there will be a lot of standing or walking. If there is a specified dress code, make sure to adhere to it. Some families may request specific colors or styles. It's always best to check with the family or the funeral home if you are unsure. By selecting appropriate modest attire, you can demonstrate your empathy and support for the grieving family. Thank you for joining us on this sensitive topic. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Luna Fashion and Beauty for more fashion tips and guidelines. Until next time, take care and with the dress respect.